The Renault Samsung XM3 INSPIRE show car is a distinctive coupe SUV that embodies a new era in Renault Samsung Motor design. This innovative concept of vehicle previews the Renault Samsung Motors production model intended to be launched in the first half of 2020 for the South Korean market and produced at Busan plant. Groupe Renault intends to step up the pace of international growth, expanding its product range to increase sales volumes to 5 million units by the end of the plan. South Korea will be one of the key markets in this strategy, supported by strong product plan.